Welcome guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can pair this Audio Technica headphones with your iPhone. So first we have to focus on this panel with the buttons. We have to just move the switcher to power on, and when we make it, this indicator right here will start blinking, just like that. It means that the device is in the pairing mode, so it's visible to other devices, and you can simply go for the settings, tap on the Bluetooth on your iPhone, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and take a look on the other devices list. As you can see, here it is, so we can just simply tap once, and right now we are successfully connected. So that's how you can make it, and if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.